back to show you how to replace the air filter for your IQ Air Health Pro Plus. This is what comes in the mail. This is the Pre-Max filter. So on my machine, it is the F1, and I will give you a close-up of this screen here in a moment. So I've got all the power unhooked, and this just comes in a plastic that I just unwrapped, and it gives you a very handy sticker so you know that this goes upright. So in order to open up your IQ Air, you're going to pull this and this. Oh, let's see. There we go. Okay. Feels like you're going to break it, but you won't. So you're going to pull those out. This comes off. Looks like we have a little dirt and debris in here. Okay. This is your, hold on. Okay, this is the Hyper HEPA, which I do not need to refill yet, but that is going to be the first one that you come across. The second one will be the V5 cell for advanced gas and odor. That is the one that is not necessary if you need to replace it, but it does come with it, and I think it works great. Okay. Okay, so once you have removed the top two, you're going to pull these out, lift up a little bit, and this will actually just slide out. And this is the filter that we are going to replace. There are these little clips that will keep it in place for you when you're done. Turn it on its side a little bit. And as you can see, this is all of the dirt and grime and buildup that has been collecting. So that is the old one. This is the new one. We will place these clamps back so it can hold it in place. So your new one is in, all nice and clean. We're going to, again, pull these out. Whoops, I think I have it. These have to be fully extended, which sometimes it's easier to do with a person helping you. Not be that difficult. Alright, so we got that back and slid into place. Alright, and these arms are what's going to help really move and lift things into place and out of place as you need them. So this one will be the next one. And this one is still good, so we're going to go ahead and reinstall it. And the very top piece. Make sure everything is lined up properly. I'm just going to click it back in. Okay, and then I'm going to plug the power in, and I'll show you the screen, and it'll show you that it's been replaced and that you're good to go. Okay, so basically I just went through the menu screen and it's just asking you if you've put a new filter in. It'll confirm that you have, and you just push enter and get this in focus here. And as you can see, everything is green except for my Hyper HEPA is orange, which means it's going to need replaced very soon. That one is about $2.99. So, or maybe, no, I'm sorry, that one's $1.99. So I'll probably wait just a little bit while longer till it completely goes to red, and then I'll replace that one as well. So I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and thanks so much for checking out my channel.